Okay, so we are on our last video. Again, dinisisa natin yung permutation last video. So natapos tayo dun uh, sa problem na to. Dun sa may apple. Again, um, sinubtract natin dito. If you can remember example 5. So kaklarify ko lang to, no? Uh, yung kinuha natin yung uh, lahat ng possible na arrangement kapag meron kang 4 na color and 5 yung kukunin mo, so ilang possible arrangement yun? So meron tayong 1,024. Kaso ang gusto kasi nating makuha ay hindi puwedeng red. So kailangan i-subtract natin dun sa total number kung saan yung, first ball na makukuha ay red. So anong gagawin natin dun? So kukunin natin yung total number na possible na event ay first ball ay color red. So paano natin gagawin? So we will just multiply, uh, yung n sa 1 mo will be yung event na red yung first ball. So 1 lang yun times, so meron ka na lang, 4, 'di ba? 4 yung pagpipilian mo pa rin and 4 yung pagpipilian mo tapos, ah, 4 times 'no. So 4 na lang. So dun sa second puwede na yung red kaya 4 pa rin, 'di ba? Dun lang sa first, color hindi puwedeng maging red kaya ang kukunin natin ay red yung unang color. So dun sa second, third, fourth, fifth puwede pa rin yung red dun 'no. So we got 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So we got 4 over 4, 4 raised to the 4. So equal yan ay 256 kaya isu-subtract natin yung total number of event na red yung unang, ah, makukuha 'no. Kaya 1,024 minus 760. So dito naman, paano kapag may mga nauulit 'no? So permutation and repetition is the number of permutation of n objects of which n1 are alike, n2 are alike, n3 are alike, and k are alike. So may mga magkakagaya. So for example, how many distinct arrangements can be made from the letters of the word banana? So ang formula natin, balikan natin, is n factorial. So kung ilang number yun or ilang event, no? Then over n sub 1 factorial times n sub 2 factorial. So dito, ah, kung ilan yung magkakaparehas, no? So kung ilan yung magkakaparehas, ipa-factorial natin. So for example, we got banana, no? So dito, ilang n natin ay ilang letter yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then may mga, letter tayo na nauulit diyan. So yung B natin ay equal to 1, A is equal to ilang, tatlo 'no? Then N natin ay equal to 2. So gagamitin natin yun. So kukunin natin yung 3 factorial over, 6 factorial. So that will be N factorial over, so N sub 1 factorial, N sub 2 factorial, hanggang kay N sub K factorial. So that will be 6 factorial over, so dito ay meron tayong yung B ay 1 factorial ay di 1 lang. So N sub 1 natin na lang ay yung A. So 3, N sub 2 natin ay 2. So over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So pwede nating gamitin yung calculator dyan. So 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So that will be equal to 60. So 60 pa rin, ano? Ibig sabihin, 60 possible arrangement kapag in-arrange natin yung word na banana. So, ganoon din, no, kapag in-arrange natin yung marmar. Sige nga, try to answer that. Sige, anong sagot nyo? Okay, so sagutan natin, no? So, dito, ang naulit ay M. So, dalawa yan. So, N sub 1 mo to, dalawa. N sub 2 mo yung letter A, dalawa din, no? And N sub 3 mo yung R. So, dalawa din. So, that will be, well, N factorial over uh, N sub 1 factorial times N sub 2 factorial times N sub 3 factorial. So, equal to sa 6 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial, and that's equal to 180. Okay, pwede rin to, no? Merong 9 college members, 4 ay faculty members, 2 students, and 3 laboratory technicians. So, paano yan? No? How many ways can they be seated in a row if members of the same group are indistinguishable? So, we got 9, that will be 9 factorial over 4 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So, i-direct nyo na lang yun sa calc. So, 4 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So, ilang possible ways? So, 1,260 ways. Okay? So, try nyo to. Pero, a bag contains 12 colored balls, 4 red, 3 blue, and 3 yellow. How many distinct arrangements are possible if the arrangement must always begin and end with a red ball? Okay, so paano natin to gagawin? So, since yung una ay at yung end ay red, so that will just be parang uh, red, tapos in between ay yung arrangement natin ng 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, so dito red to, red, tapos yung in between ay 10 balls. No? So, therefore, ang gagawa na lang natin ng permutation ay yung 10 na balls. So, ito na lang kasi nga, yung red, yung unang at huli ay red na yun. No? So, parang hindi natin siya i-discard na natin. So, paano natin ito kukunin? So, that will be, and una lang ay 10 kasi nga red yung dalawa. So, dalawa na lang yung red. No? Kasi, nandito yung ikatlo, nandito yung ikaapat. So, that will be 10 factorial over, ilan yung red mo? Dalawa na lang. 2 factorial times 3 factorial yung blue times 2 factorial, dalawang green at tatlong yellow. So, ilan yung base natin dyan? That will be equal to 25,200 base. So, let's go with the cyclic permutation. So, ito mostly ay, ang arrangement mo ay naka-circular yung arrangement. So, kunwari, meron tayong 10 students and ilang way pwede i-arrange na naka-circular. So, parang, kunwari, ito yung bonfire, so bonfire yan. So, naka-arrange yung 10 students. So, ilan yung possible way? So, ang formula pa rin natin ay n minus 1 factorial. So, p natin is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So, that will be 9 factorial. So, equal yan sa 362,880. Okay, so, sunod. So, kumari, ayan, sa necklace naman. No? A necklace is made of 8 distinct colored beads. How many unique arrangements of the beads are there? So, parang imagine mo ito yung bracelet, di ba? So, ilang possible arrangement yan? Yung mga beads, so 8 daw. Ayan. So, again, ang total number na ay 8 minus 1 factorial. So, equal siya sa 7 factorial 5,040. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky. So, merong, clingy na mag-asawa. So, merong 6 people will be attending a wedding reception and they will be seated at a round table. 2 of the 6 individuals are a couple who prefer not to be seated apart. How many different arrangements and these 6 people have around the table? So, kunwari, ito yung table natin. So, merong 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, prefer daw nung mag-asawa ay magkasama sila. So, i-group mo yan na magkasama. So, i-count mo yan na parang isa lang. So, ilang arrangement yun. So, pero hindi pa yun yung sagot. So, yun yung makukuha mo pa rin lang na arrangement. So, meron kang, instead of 6 yung n mo, so that will be 5 minus 1 factorial. Bakit 5 minus 1? So, hindi kasi pwede maghiwalay yung mag-asawa. So, parang isa lang yung count mo doon. So, that will be equal to 4 factorial. So, 4 times 3 times 2. So, 24. Pero, yung mag-asawa, pwede, dalawa sila, di ba? So, pwede sila magkabaliktad. So, yung isang group mo, it's either A, B, or BA. So, may dalawang possible way. 1, 2. So, kaya, ito yung magiging parang n sub 1 mo sa counting principle natin. And ito yung magiging n sub 2. Kaya i-multiply mo 2 times 24. So that will be the total number of ways na pwede na arrangement. Okay? So last na to, combination. So ito naman, ang difference sa combination is sa permutation, kailangan arrangement. Sa combination ay hindi kailangan ng arrangement, kailangan ng order. So kunwari, kanina di ba yung pinag-usapan natin, sunod-sunod ng mga moves. So dito sa combination, ang example niya, kunwari, ilang beses mo pwede i-arrange yung t-shirt, pants, tsaka shoes. Kunwari, meron kang dalawang shirt, dalawang pants, dalawang shoes. Ilan beses na pwede mong pag-partner-partnerin. So, doon, hindi kailangan na shirt muna, tapos pantalon, tapos shoes. So, pwede hindi sila magkakasunod-sunod. So, kunwari ito. Suppose you have three fruits, such as an atis, banana, and chico, and you want to choose two fruits. What would be the possible combination? So, may shortcut tayo dito, no? So, ito yung formula natin. So, n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So, makita nyo, minultiply nyo lang ng 1 over r factorial yung permutation, di ba? So, ito yung permutation mo, n factorial over n minus 1 factorial. So, minultiply mo lang ng 1 over r factorial. Pero, ang sa calcu, pwede mo lang din i-type yung NCR. So, nandun siya sa division. So, shift division. So, hindi ko alam to sa calcu nyo, pero sa class Swiss ay nasa division siya. So, pwede mo siyang i-type parang permutation lang. Okay, meron tayo dito tatlong fruit. So, meron tayong banana, chico, and atis, banana, and chico. And gusto mo gamitin, gusto mo ay dalawang fruit lang. So, kagaya kanina, no, ang n mo ay equal sa 3 fruit kasi pagpipilian mo. And yung r mo is just equal to 2. Dun sa tatlo, dalawa lang yung kunin mo. So, that will be NCR. So, sa calculus mo ay 3C2. So, that will be 3C equal to 3. Pero kapag gusto mong gamitin yung formula at wala ka namang kasyo, pero ang hirap na lang kayo ng kasyo, para formula na lang. Sayang din yung time. So, n factorial over, so NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So, equal to 3 din yan. So, 3 factorial times 2 factorial times n minus r. So, 3 minus 2. So, 1 factorial na lang din. So, equal yan sa, so 3 times 2, 6 divided by 2. So, 3 din. So, what is the combination of the 16 balls taken 3 at a time? So, n mo dito ay 16. So, r mo ay 3. So, NCR is equal to, type na lang natin sa calcu, 16 C3 ay 560. 16 C3 560. Gagamitan mo ng formula, so equal yan sa 16 factorial over 3 factorial times 16 minus 3, so 13 factorial. So 560. So, same lang din dito, no? Combination of the letters A, B, C, D taken 3 at a time. So, N is equal to 4, R is equal to 3. So, therefore, NCR is equal to 4. So, this one, there are 5 points, say A, B, C, D in a plane. No 3 points are collinear. So, tama din naman. How many lines are determined by the points? And how many of these lines do not pass through A or B? And letter C, how many triangles are determined by the point? So, dito meron tayong 5 points. Then, dun sa 5 na yon, walang tatlo na collinear. So, ibig sabihin agad dalawa lang. So, So how many lines are determined by the points? So letter A. So how are we going to answer that? So kailangan i-identify muna natin. So alin yung ah, ilan yung n natin. No? So yung n natin will be 5 and yung line daw natin ay walang tatlo na tatlong point. So for letter A, so yung n natin ay 5 kasi 5 yung point. And ilan daw yung line. So remember, kapag may dalawa kang point, line na yun. So yung R mo ay equal to. So yung NCR mo, NCR is equal to 5 C equal to 10. So ibig sabihin, 10 lines. So how many of these lines do not pass through A or B? So, hindi siya pwedeng magpaso sa A or B. So, isusubtract na natin yung dalawa, yung A at B. So, tatlo na lang. So, sabi mo, so yung N mo ay tatlo na lang kasi hindi to pwede magpaso sa A or B. And yung R mo ay 2 kasi nga 2 points form A line. So, NCR will be equal to 3C. So, that will be 3. So, again, pag gusto mo gamitin yung formula, pwede din naman yung NCR is equal to N factorial over R factorial times N minus 1 factorial. So for letter C, how many triangles are determined by points? So, ano wala lang yung triangle? 3 points yung triangle, di ba? So kapag may tatlo ka dun, triangle na yun. So yung N mo will still be equal to 5 and yung R mo is equal to 3. So 5 C3. So that will be equal to 10. Ibig sabihin, 10 triangles. Okay? So may mga problem pa dito na nakasama. So try to answer this problem. So I will be posting the PowerPoint presentation. So try to answer this and try to analyze it. Try to use the combination to answer these problems. Okay? So example 4, 5, and example number 7. So yun lang guys. So again, galingan nyo for the finals. So i-maximize nyo na mas madali yung topic compared to midterm. Okay? So yun lang naman. So see you around.